Many people have smooth skin in photos, but the result often looks fake and plastic. So in this video on Spot, I'll show you a simple Affinity Photo technique that smooths skin while keeping the natural texture. Let's get started. Prepare the layer first, duplicate your image layer. Then go to the pixel menu and select Invert. At this point the image will look strange, but don't worry, this is part of the process. After that, change the blend mode to hard light. Next, with the layer selected, add a high passive filter. Then increase the radius slowly until the details start to soften. For this image, about 30 pixels works well. Now add a clarity live filter. Then increase the value slowly until the skin begins to look smooth and clean. For this image, I used around 41%. After that, add a Gaussian blur live filter. Increase the radius just a little until the natural skin texture starts to return. This step helps the skin look real instead of over-smoothed. Next, add a layer mask and invert the mask to hide the effect. Then choose a soft white brush and gently paint over the skin areas. To reset the figure ground color, just hit letter D in the keyboard. As you paint, the smoothing effect will appear. However, avoid painting on hair, eyes, edges, or sharp details. Once the skin retouch is finished, you can move on to color correction or dodge and burn. In this example, I am only adjusting the contrast to improve the image. And after finally, duplicate the background layer and group all the retouch layers above it. This makes it easy to turn the group on and off to see the before and after. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video and subscribe to Spot for more design techniques and visual breakdowns.